Unlocking the secrets of arborio rice, a staple of Italian cuisine. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the world of arborio rice, a key ingredient in Italian cooking that's beloved around the globe. Get ready to learn about its unique characteristics and why it's a favorite in many kitchens. Arborio rice is a type of short-grain rice named after the town of Arborio in the Po Valley of Italy, where it is grown. Known for its creamy texture and high starch content, this rice is a go-to choice for dishes that require a chewy and creamy consistency. Arborio rice grains are short and plump, with a pearly white exterior. It's the extra starch that makes arborio rice so special, particularly the amylopectin starch, which is responsible for its sticky and creamy qualities when cooked. One of the most famous dishes made with arborio rice is risotto. The rice is slowly cooked in broth until it reaches a rich and creamy consistency. Arborio rice can also be used in rice pudding and soups, making it a versatile ingredient in your culinary adventures. Arborio rice is a good source of carbohydrates and protein. It's also gluten-free, which makes it an excellent option for those with gluten sensitivities. However, like most white rice, it's low in fiber compared to whole grains. We hope this video has enlightened you about arborio rice and its place in Italian cuisine. It's more than just a type of rice. It's a culinary experience that brings creamy and comforting dishes to life. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video where we'll uncover more food secrets.